too? Okay, good. We fixed it. Yeah, man, I think we're ready to come in, folks. Yeah, we're ready. It's time. It's time. I'm late. Guys, so I'm the one who's tardy? Cable Guy? Anyone? Does anyone know all about Cable Guy? Welcome to today's chess stream. We're going to be playing 1 minute against viewers. There's a couple of things we got to talk about, guys. First off, cheating, man. Kirby, what's up, dude? Welcome back. Kirby, that guy Ida was cheating, man. Well, we don't know he was cheating. We know he got banned for fair play on chess.com. And I think that's... cheating is definitely one of those things. Ida was his name. Let me tell you. Well, we'll cover that in a minute. I want to tell you a crazy story, AFM. Do you know Izark Chess? Izark Chess is his name, and he had an arena night before last. He had an arena at 1 in the morning. He's a streamer. He makes content. He's about my rating on chess.com. It's amazing watching. Yeah. He did an arena at 1:30 or 1 in the morning like a couple nights ago. It might have been Friday night. And it was late. And I said, oh, this guy's live. I've watched him a couple times. And he's doing an arena. I'm like, oh, maybe I'll join the arena. So I joined the arena. Okay? Listen to this, AFM Kirby. I went 9.5 out of 10 points. And there were, let me go to clubs, community clubs. There were, of course, plenty of 900s, 1100s, 1400s, right? But when I went 9.5 out of 10, that included... Oh, no, the best way to look at it is from here. That included... From here. Oh, yeah, okay, let me mute that. Let me show you. Look at my games. Look at my score. All wins. I beat a 900. I beat a 1400. I beat a 2000. That guy ended up, I think, getting second place. I beat a 1700. I beat an 1100. I drew with a 1700. I beat a 1500, and I beat a 1400. And there's probably more. There's probably more games. No, or maybe that is all of it. June 28th. Yeah. I guess that's all of them. So I have 9.5 out of 10, including wins against, because I mean my blitz is only 1500, right? So including wins against 2000s, you know, a few of these guys were higher rated than me. A lot of them were the same rating as me. And I was 9.5 out of 10, and I was in first place. I was crushing it, right? And I was actually, it was 1:30 in the morning. I was at home in the safety of my home. I was chilling out, consuming some content, joined the arena, and I had a couple. So I couldn't be playing at my peak, but I was chilling, and I was crushing this. But before the arena started, he said on his stream, he said, I'm $10 away from my payout on YouTube for my first payout. When you start streaming, when you get monetized on I know Twitch and YouTube for sure. You have to get $100 coming to you before they pay you, because do you know how many people start streaming and they get monetized and they have 48 cents in their account and they quit streaming? It's like they're like, no. First off, it's a money grab. They can keep the money, right? But you have to get the pay. We call it the payment threshold. So he says, I'm $10 away from my first YouTube payout. So I super chatted him $10 and said, get paid. Right? You guys do it for me all the time. This he's an up-and-comer. Seems like a nice guy. His community seems like a nice community. He's much smaller. Way smaller than me, guys. And he was this close. He was this close. He's a fellow chess player. I think he might be in the UK. He's somewhere. He has a bit of an accent. So I super chat him $10. So he's like, wow, he was really happy and thankful. And wow, thanks for the $10 super chat. I think that's the biggest donation I've ever got. Thank you so much. And I said, it's nothing. Don't worry about it. And his chat's talking to me. Charly Sardo Gaming win. That's a win. WW. And I'm like, whoa. Okay, I'm not trying to make I wasn't trying to draw attention to myself for $10. I really wasn't. Now, don't get me wrong. I might go watch Hikaru's. If Hikaru's streaming, I might do a $10 super chat and say, hey man, love your stuff or something, right? And 15,000 people will see it. That's self-promoting by donating. That's okay. I might do that in that situation. Dude, he's a small streamer. I wanted him to hit his threshold so he can get paid. People have done that for me 1,000 times. You guys do it all the time. So, but there was so much attention on me. I'm like, okay, I said, just ban me, get me out of here. He's like, no, don't ban him. I said, okay, good, that's good. And then I just stopped talking in chat. It's like I didn't want all the attention on me. That happened before the arena. Now, what would it look like if someone came in here and drew a bunch of attention to themselves before the arena or the tournament, and then completely crushed everyone below their rating, their own rating, and even up to 500 points higher than their rating? What would we think? I would think the guy was cheating. I really would. What are the odds that the guy that comes in and gives a super chat and draws all this attention to himself and then is playing way above my expected rating? Guys, I'm gonna try and stay humble here. There are levels in chess, okay? And just because someone's rated 2,000 on chess.com doesn't mean I can't give them lessons. It just means that they perform better on chess.com than I do. But when you watch them talk about their games and stuff, they don't know how to play chess. They're horrible, but they're still rated 2,000, but they know nothing about chess. You know what I'm saying? It just shows you that you can get really far. Learning stuff helps, but people rated way higher than me, I say, well, 2,000 people rated at 2,000. They don't know openings, barely. I mean, they do a little bit, not like I do. You say, well, why isn't your rating higher? Well, a lot of reasons. I'm streaming, and performance value. Performance, like, maybe I don't perform like I did when I was 24. When you're playing a 14-year-old kid, you know how hard he's trying to win? I'm not knocking it. It's a good thing, but the point is, I'm not impressed with my performance. But look at it. Look at all the wins. There's only one other game that I won on the streak. So technically I've gone 11. I've gone 10 and a half out of my last 11 games. But they were all in this arena. So I'm like, oh my God, they're going to think I'm cheating. You're in his Discord server. Most of the people who do the tournaments never really play at high level. There's usually 3 to 4 people who win every weekend. Exactly. No, I can see the ratings. But I felt, probably because I told you I had a couple drinks, guys. So maybe I don't get paranoid when I have a couple of drinks, but I literally probably started overthinking, and I'm like, oh, I know what I got to do. I'm like, maybe they're gonna think I'm cheating. So I just stopped playing. It's an arena, so you can stop playing. So I stopped playing, but this one guy, Death Howler, he was in second place, and as soon as he passed me, I'm like, I hit I hit play, and I won my next game, and I got on top again. And I'm like, I'm done. I didn't want to walk in and win the arena on the first day, okay? These people don't know me. The people in chat were like, yeah, I've never seen you here before. They were also, his community was a little bit surprised and appreciative for a $10 super chat. I mean, I'm not rich, guys, but I can give a guy $10 every once in a while if I think he's doing good. You know what I'm saying? You guys do it to me all day long. So then I'm like, okay, now I just got to stop. So I quit playing, and everyone passed me. I go to clubs here. Not everyone passed me, but let me show you. I didn't play like the last half an hour of it. Okay. Club events, meaning I'm not getting more points. You don't lose points for losing. To win an arena, you want to play as many games as you can, right? Which, by the way, we're having an arena at 4 o'clock. We're going to do a 1 minute arena. So, like, I quit playing when I was in first place, and I ended up getting 5th place and never lost a game. The guy that won played 20 games. Me in 5th place, I played 10 games. I played 10 games. Like, I easily could have won that arena. Even if I started losing games, I would have won that arena. Probably. You know what I'm saying? And the guy that won 1861, 2132, the guy that was competing with me, Death Howler, he fell off a little bit, rated 2000. There's a 2400 in there, but he only played 9 games. 1600s, there's a 2000 down here that played 14 games. I only played 10. And it was just, I felt weird. I don't know. Maybe I'm getting old and weird thoughts get in my head. But I'm like, So I just stopped playing. And gave him the arena. And what I love about it too, Izark Chess finished right above me. He finished 1 spot above me with 34 points. He played 19 games. I only played 10 games. I got 5th place. It's crazy. I see Eric Rosen, sometimes he'll join an arena late, and I'm like, well, he's at a serious disadvantage. Yeah, but if you win all your games, you know what I'm saying? Then he jumps to the top real quick. You get better after a few drinks. They call it the Balmer curve. Well, there's a thing. Hey, Jordan, how you doing, man? And Daniel Abbott, love you, brother. Jordan Newby, we do it on Mondays. We do bullet chess, and I'm going to start doing it here in a minute. But I just want to tell that one story that happened in that arena where I went 9.5 out of 10, and I'm just like, I'm just going to stop. Like, first off, you guys know I don't cheat. But it's like, if I was cheating then, and I thought that I was going to get caught, then I might lose a game on purpose, right? But I'm like, I even thought I'm probably going to lose a game at some point, so just keep playing. But it's like, then I played another game and I won again. I'm like, I'm just going to freak. Dude, what if I go 20-0? Or 20 wins, 1 draw? I don't want to be that guy. And another thing that probably affects it too, talking about doing anything better while you're drinking, because I've thought about this for a long time, and I know for a fact that basically, as a rule, there aren't many things you can do. People will say, "Oh, I play pool better when I'm drinking." It's like, well, if you overthink everything, but then you just get dumb, and then you forget to overthink, and then you're still going to have worse hand-eye coordination. Do you understand what I'm saying? You need to figure out why you're overthinking when you play pool and fix that. And then you need to play, whenever you compete with anything, you should be 100% sober. And you don't fix a bigger problem by adding a problem of ruining your hand-eye coordination and your mental decisions. Do you understand what I'm saying? And because I thought about it, because I thought, I played okay. I mean, we can look at the games. We'll see all kinds of mistakes. I didn't play great. I already know. I just know because I play guitar. I play pool. I play chess. And I know for a fact, drinking impairs you guys. So if you think you play better when you're drinking, it's because you have another problem that's so bad that drinking is better. And it makes that other problem go away. But that will just lower your ceiling even lower. You need to figure out why. If you do anything better when you're drinking, you need to figure out why and fix that, and then do it when you're not drinking, and that's how you can go to the top of the world with whatever you're trying to achieve. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Well, you know, we did one, Calvin, and it was successful, but then we did another one, and what happened was we didn't have enough players didn't sign up for it. Enough players didn't sign up for it. Let me go clubs, chess, chillers. I'm joining the arena, and I am going to give you guys the link for the arena. Okay? Join arena here. Bam. Here's a link for the arena. YouTube vertical will not be able... I think they don't allow links on a YouTube vertical, so you're going to have to copy and paste it. Or just go to Chess Chillers on chess.com. Oh, wait. Oh, wow. Let's get the whole thing. Don't just say join arena here. Oh, okay. That's because of this. Good. Delete that. Join arena here. There we go. And I'm going to pin that for a minute. Oh, and for my... Yeah, it's fun. It's fun. It's fun. It was a blast. The first time we did it was a blast. It's just the second time we did it, there weren't enough players. And then the next week I skipped it because I'm like, well, we didn't have enough last week. So look at that. We already got 3 players. Kirby's playing. Osler's playing. Osler, how you doing? Osler. Okay, so this comes up to the second thing. Chess Dragon says, we think we play better when we drunk, but when you sober and you see your elo, that says it all. Yeah, that's exactly right. That's exactly right. So, okay. So the other thing is, this site can't be reached. It said, this site can't be reached. Okay. Okay. I'm so used to complaining about Facebook. Okay. I'm so used to that that I almost said, okay, Facebook, but it's this. Okay, it was chess.com. Okay, look, check me out. There's a guy that was around, and he would talk in chat. This is the creepiest thing, and this is starting to bother me a little bit about chess. Freaking Bozo Chess, the guy that won the tournament and cheated and got banned from chess.com, he would talk in chat. Dude, if you're cheating, don't talk to me in chat. It makes it a real person. Like, if you play a stranger you don't know and they cheated, you go, oh, he's a dirty cheater, and whatever, and you're over it. If it's someone's talking to me in chat and I talk back, hey, Bozo Chess, good, welcome back, Bozo Chess, and he's a cheater? And this Ida guy, same thing. Well, like, again, I need to back a step and say, I don't know these people cheated. I know that chess banned them for fair play, and we all know that that basically means that they cheated. I see the 2000 fraternity last week also got banned. Let me take a look and see. But Ida Spleniolina, nah, that guy, Ida, he got banned. He got banned. And then there was another one too. Let me find him. Let me find him. I think he was lower rated. Yeah, this guy 408. Noah's alt. Close. Fair play. Dude, as we grow, we are... This doesn't mean that... There's Ida again with this little cheater tag, with this band tag. This guy, GM Hikua, that's the guy from the last guy that we talked about. So you're saying someone in our tournament got banned? Let me look. From last week's tournament, huh? Clubs. Let's take a look and see. But man, if you're cheating, dude, cheat. I mean, don't cheat. But if you're cheating, go ahead and cheat. I mean, I can't stop you. But don't talk to me in chat, dude. It's like, ugh. I treat them like they're good chess players. And it's weird. I like people that are better than me at chess. Well, I like people. And I like people that like chess. I did the wrong thing. I go to club events and Chiller's Weekly Swiss, and we'll see who got banned. No, it's Ida. Yeah, no, it was Ida. You're right. That's the one. That's the one. That's the guy that got banned. Yeah, he got 4th place. I don't know if he started. He probably started. Yeah, he got here late and gave up a draw. He gave up a draw, guys, to Osler. Osler, the guy that won. Dude, Osler, you beat a cheater, bro. You beat a cheater. Happy to see you again, too, man. Oh, you're talking to Kirby. Yeah, he actually blocked me and reported me because... Who did? Ida did? Really? He came late, Kirby. The guy came late. The guy came late, and he also gave up a draw. You had a loss. Yeah, the guy came late. And you had 3 wins. Oh, well, he only finished above you on tie breaks. Or maybe alphabetical order of the name. Because you guys have the same score and the same tie breaks. Yeah. So, you each had 3 points. That's why you finished above him. Probably because your name is A. Yeah. But, yeah, guys, don't cheat at chess, man. But it really is just weird to me that you would talk to me. And I'm like, dude, welcome back, man. Guys, the 2300's here today. Awesome. I hope I get to play him. Yeah. And he's sitting there going... and he doesn't know his whole life is going to be totally not what it could be. If he's already an adult, then he learned bad lessons when he was a kid. But if he's a kid, he needs to get away from it. He needs to get away from cheating. Was Ida calling everyone a cheater? Well, you know what happens, I think? I think some of these guys that cheat have an engine up. Because Bozo Chess was complaining about somebody cheating, and that person got banned. Yeah. But Bozo Chess got banned too. Huh? Right? It's like in Tarkov, Escape from Tarkov, the video game. There's a wall hack where you can see people through walls, and you can and you know where they are, so you don't lose, right? You know where they are, and then you can get them. Well, the cheaters have a thing where they'll crouch up and down, and then if they see someone on the other side of a wall crouching up and down, that means that person can see you, and you can see them, and so you crouch up and down, say, "I'm cheating, you're cheating," ha ha ha, right? Maybe Bozo Chess was accusing someone of cheating because he had the engine up and he saw the guy playing all the Stockfish moves. We don't know. We have to go back and look, and we also know for a fact. Even if we look at someone's game and they play all the best Stockfish moves, we still do not know that person's a cheater. Bozo Chess was lower rated me a week later. I saw him over 2,000 in Blitz tourney. I almost fell off my chair confused. Yeah. No, he was higher than that in the tournament, wasn't he? Yeah. Just have fun with chess. Yeah. Well, anything. Have fun with it. Don't have fun with it. But don't cheat, man. Because if you're young and you think it's okay to cheat and you continue doing it, you're gonna be a little bit. It's kind of like the ring. It's the ring. When you put the ring on, you become invisible. That's good. But when you take it off, what happens? You come back, but you come back not all the way. You lost a little bit of yourself. Do you understand what I'm saying? And cheating is like that. And if you keep doing it, when it comes time to perform and be a real person, you're not going to have anything to offer because you're going to be a cheater. Yeah. You actually follow Bozo's Twitch just to see if he makes any more chess accounts. So far, nothing. So we don't know if he's among us. So, does he have a Twitch? Does he stream? Does that guy stream, Bozo? When did the stream start? It started your stream started a little bit after 3. I start the YouTube horizontal first, and then a few minutes later I start the vertical. Yeah. All right. So I think we've covered everything. We've covered my weird arena that I felt like I don't want to win this arena. I don't want to win it. And so I stopped. And then we covered Ida, who was such a nice person in chat, acting like a good chess player, acting like he studied for thousands of hours and got really good at chess. I'm just really good. I worked really hard. All the work you've done means nothing because I worked harder at chess than you did. And so I get to be the top dog in the room. He didn't say exactly that, but that's the stolen valor that he's getting. Do you know what I'm saying? Yeah, it's just crazy, man. Kelly, check my drive. No, I'm not going to. I don't want to, because one thing I don't do. One thing I don't do is, I mean, sometimes I'll look at my games against cheaters, but I don't want to look at it. I don't want to look at it. I think I need to open up challenges, and I think I have the comment to join the arena. So what I'll do is, I'm not, see, it's like I want to pin 2 comments. Oh, I can actually. Yeah, join arena here, and then, oh wait, I'll do it right here. And then, to play me, challenge, Rosewood, Kelly, 1 min, unrated, or 1-0, has to be 1-0, unrated. Yeah, we're gonna play chess, guys. We're gonna play chess. We had a little housekeeping, guys. Where's an asterisk? To play me now. Challenge Rosewood Telly. There we go. Okay, good. I got it. I came with the plan, folks. Okay, guys, get in the arena. Get in the arena, guys. You gotta join the arena. And don't cheat at chess, guys. It's just dumb. There we go. And pin this one. Replace pin message. And delete this one. Yeah, it is a little bit... It's a little bit disappointing. I shouldn't let a random person I don't know on the internet disappoint me, right? Because if I let that happen, then I will be disappointed a lot. And it's not a good feeling to be disappointed. So you have to get thick skin and not care. You know what I'm saying? And I hate to have to do that, but you know what? Because it bothers me. Bozo was in these streamer rapid tournaments on Twitch at one point. Oh, did they had, dude, you know what? See, I never see that. I don't even know how to get involved in that. If they do that, I want to get, Zaryab, you are not late. Join the arena. Did the stream end? Did stream end? When did stream start? I don't know. You're confusing me. But we're completely fine. Okay, now I'm going to open up my challenges. Let's check. Oh no, we can just go to play, because I'm in the arena. Play online. Good, everyone has a board. Okay, good. We got 4 people so far. We need more people in the arena. Dude, Kirby, you're 2061 at bullet. Guys, I gotta move fast against this guy. Calvin Chambers at 1600 a bullet. Dude, Calvin, you're really coming up. And see, Osler's a little slower at bullet. Osler you're 2000, right? In rapid, but his bullet's 1753. That happens a lot too. People that don't play a lot of bullet. Are you following football? No, man. I never grew up playing soccer. We call it soccer. I never played soccer as a kid. I mean, maybe 3 times. I never played soccer. Never followed soccer. Pele, is that his name? Isn't he a soccer player? You're like, wow, Unc. Wow, Unc. Yeah, he's a soccer player from the last century. Well, he is. But he was the best, right? He was like Wayne Gretzky of the soccer field. That guy, I think he might have made money off commercials and stuff. Yeah, he was good. But I watched USA versus Australia maybe about a week ago. Maybe, I don't remember when it was. It could have been Friday. It wasn't this last Friday, I don't think. I don't remember. I saw we were eating and it was on the TV. And it's like, hey, USA's playing Australia. USA won, right? Remember that game? Yeah, Pele's one of the best. Yeah, he's probably a lot of people's hero. Magnus. Yeah, this is me. Onum, I am Magnus Carlsen. Okay, I'm going to my settings now. all settings. I am going to make it my challenges so you guys can challenge me. Here's what I recommend, guys. Please do this. You guys have to police yourselves, okay? Just try and make it easy. Once you get to play me one time, chill out for a few minutes. Don't send a rematch, and don't keep sending me challenges, because then I have to keep looking and trying to find someone I haven't played. So let's try and let everyone have a turn, and then once we realize most people have had a turn, then we don't worry about doubles. Okay. I got it. I think allow challenges. I didn't do it. What did I just turn? Did I turn the wrong thing on? Yeah, no, that's good. That's good. Okay, play. All right, I'm open for 1 minute unrated challenges. Pritchard, how you doing, brother? Welcome back. Hey, Charlie, I'm Deftones. How you doing, brother? Welcome back. Welcome back. Toasty Cheese It. What's up? Welcome back, Toasty Cheese It. You want to play some 1 minute bullet? We play the arena, dude. Join the arena. We only have 4 members so far. Do I need to start playing bullet from the pool till I start getting challenges? I think I might. We're going to do it. We're going to do it. Had anyone already sent one? There were none. There were none. It doesn't hurt me. Well, it kind of hurts me now. The problem is, he gets this. I could have took that pawn and I didn't. We're undermining the knight. I got to make love to balloons, guys. I need balloons. Okay, here. He didn't see it, guys. He didn't get the memo. Wrong pawn to push, buddy. You can't save it. He wasted a move. Got him. All right, guys. Wow, that guy was rough. Osler. Let's go, Osler. Osler's first. We got Osler, guys. Why do you guys play this, man? Is it a good move? Yeah, he saw it. He saw it. Oh, he's on my knight now. Bend it. Smart. Come on, I'm moving too slow. My knight is kind of weird. It doesn't have a real nice beard. And it's really not a funny kind of guy. Okay, oh, I can move my knight now. So that'll be good. I'm moving way too slow. Still loses. I get the rook. He got me. He got me. Oh, I thought it was mate. Juke Town, how you doing, brother? Eagles, welcome back, man. Okay, guys, send it, man. 1 minute. AFM Kirby, you got it. And thank you, Osler, for not sending an instant rematch. I appreciate it. You guys help me make things run so smooth. D4, right? Dude, I dropped my knight and my freaking bishop. Yeah, this is bad. I'm dropping pieces like left and right. I'm actually going to resign it. Kirby, nowhere close. Yeah, your tactics are good. I got to warm up. Retro Gaming, welcome back, dude. How you doing, man? Tobisa says hi. I joined the arena. Nice. What do we got now? Are you DNS, Tobisa? I love it, dude. He's rated 231. All levels welcome, guys. This isn't about. Oh, by the way, Adam Engel. How did I not see that? Well, it didn't alert. It didn't alert, Adam. Thank you for the 50 stars, dude. Thank you for the 50 stars, brother. Yeah, guys. Wait, let me see if I can re-update that, maybe. Is there a thing going on there? Recent events? Nah, I don't know. If you're watching on Twitch, hit that follow button, guys. We're almost to 700. Once we get to 700, I'll do something. I'll do like a I'll do something for Twitch. Like an extended stream. I'll stream everywhere, and then we'll shut the stream off and stream for an extra hour or something on Twitch. I should wait till 1,000 for that, but I want to get to 700. Good game on it. Yeah, dude, thank you, man. But see, like right now, I don't have any challenges. When does the arena start? 21 minutes? The only people that want to beat me right now are Osler and Kirby. Calvin's here. DNS is here. Someone hit me. Retro Game, what are you up to, man? So Bozo Chess is on Twitch? I'm so curious as to see that if he is. Is his name Bozo Chess on Twitch? Oh, let me see if I can find him. Oh yeah, but you don't know that that's him. Do you know that that's him? It was Kirby, right? He doesn't have any VODs up. Clips. Does he have any clips up? He's got some clips up. But how do you know that that's him is what I'm saying. Like, did you watch his stream and see him playing my tournament and talking to me in chat? How do you know that? Just because someone has a name. Oh, Adam's gonna play me. Cool. Adam, good. I'm so glad you're still here, Adam. Thank you for the 50, dude. Youngest queen. I didn't take it though. That's the best part. Guys, Adam is 8. I didn't even look at his move. Wow, he just dropped that. Well, I'm on the queen now though. Yeah, I think he can defend both. He's got to save his queen. I take his bishop. Okay. You just have to go back. It's not the end of the world. Dude, good game. That was a good game. Adam's rated 800. Adam is a great supporter of the stream. Adam, the guy who I just played me, has the longest running star streak on Facebook. Stars are like bits. They're a penny. And he has come in without missing a week for like 5 years. Every week he comes and gives me something. You think that doesn't add up? I don't make my rent from any one thing I do. It's a little bit of people using my my affiliate link to sign up to chess.com. It's a little bit from YouTube ads. It's a little bit from bits and stars. The biggest thing is the subs. The biggest thing is supporters, members, and subscribers. That's the biggest one. That's what really keeps me. But it all adds up is what I'm saying. And so thank you, dude. I really appreciate it. Continued support is huge. You know what continued support did? It cut the Grand Canyon. Steady flow of water can cut the Grand Canyon. And you know what? A steady flow of subscribing, stars, bits, super chat here or there, a little Venmo thing, all that very, very slowly over is what is the only reason we're here. So thank you. Hey, Isaac, what's up, dude? Isaac, I gotta tell you something, guy. Isaac Chess is in Twitch chat, dude. I'm not gonna lie. I had a couple. It was for me. It was 1:30 in the morning when we did your arena the other night, and I had a couple. I was here. I was safe. I wasn't driving. I wasn't babysitting any children. I had a couple. So, and I understand there were a lot of lower rated people in your arena, but I went like 8.5 out of 9, and I'm winning, and I'm like, and there were some high rated people there, but I mean, I'm a little underrated, okay? But still, I'm like, they're gonna think I'm cheating. This really got in my head, probably because I was not thinking rationally because I had a couple. Because I went in. And I literally gave you that $10 super chat because you said that you needed 10 more to get your first payout. If you watch the beginning of my stream, I went about it in detail. But I'm like, I'm like, because there was too much attention on me at the beginning of your stream. When I got there, I'm not coming for viewers. I'm not trying to get subs. Not from you. We could maybe we could, what do you call it? Collab sometime, right? I would love that. But I didn't want attention. That's why I said ban me. I'm like, no, just ban me. Like, stop. It was just a super chat. I don't want to talk about me. We're here for Isaac Chess. We're watching your show. And I loved it, by the way. And some of my viewers watch it too. And so then I went 8.5 out of 9. And I'm like, they're going to think I'm cheating. That's a cheater, right? What's a cheater do? They come in, they make everything about themselves, and then they go 8.5 out of 9. So I was like, I just stopped playing. And the Death Howl guy passed me. I'm all, darn it. So I played another game and I won and I went to number 1 again. And I'm like, no. I'm not going 20-0. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. So I just stopped. And then I think on fumes, I ended up getting 6th place or something. You passed me, but you didn't quit. Yeah. Oh, it was nothing, dude. It was nothing. Dude, I've been streaming full time for 5 years. Like, I started streaming and 6 months later, I quit my day job. And this is what I do. And you don't know how many people have done that for me. And I just almost got a little bit emotional right there. You don't know how many people have done that for me. I'm not rich. I have food. I have a car. I got gas in it. I'm fine. I'm not rich. But Do you know, if you knew how many people that gave me $10, $20, $30, 50 cents, Adam English gave me 50 cents. He's been giving me 50 cents for every week for 5 years. Adam has. And he's a supporter. And he's a supporter on Facebook. The $5 a month, right? So like you mentioned you wanted to hit the payout threshold. It was $100, right? I'm like, psh. You know? So yeah, you do the same thing for someone else. And I know you will, because you're that kind of guy. Yeah, you're that kind of guy. You did wonder why I stopped. Dude, I felt weird. If I would have never said a word in chat, and then some of your viewers were kind of talking to me and stuff, and I'm like, I'm not doing this. I don't want to. Stop looking at me. So dude, you guys ought to see me. I raid people and stuff, and they say, hey, what did you play? I say, I played chess. Thanks. How are you doing? Your stream looks good. Came to check out your stream, right? I felt weird. And so, but dude, I dig what you're doing, man. You seem like a really nice guy, and I like your community too. The people in your chat were cool, man. We're back to 1 minute. E4, E5, C4. So we're doing a 1 minute arena here in a few minutes, and then and I'm playing viewers right now. Get out of my life. You're not supposed to do that, but you know what? Sometimes just do it anyway. Yeah, I think I should break it center. Good. Am I losing a pawn here? Yes. Wow. Okay, just take it. So yeah, dude, thanks a lot, man. I had fun. I had fun on your watching your stream and playing the arena. It was weird, man. I just felt weird. I'm like, yeah, I gotta stop. And the fact is, you know, right? Quitting when you're ahead is a pretty weak thing to do, but you know I was gonna eventually start losing, right? I mean, I'm not a grandmaster or anything. Ah! Sorry, I dropped my rook. Just take the bishop, dude. I want to just see what I'm trying to do. See what I'm trying to put together here, guys. I should let him maybe try to come here. I blew it. I blew it, folks. God, I was so close. I was so close. You have a minute? Play chess with Sardo on Mondays. New slogan. I like it. How you doing, Bill Stevens? Good to see you, man. So Isaac said, I had seen a few of your videos before, but I didn't realize it was you until after the arena. Oh, nice, cool. Well, I'm glad. I'm glad about that. Yeah, have you ever seen any of my shorts in your feed? Very curious. You know, I met Danny Wrench. I bought his book, and when I walked up to Danny Wrench, he went just like this. He went like this. He went. He looked at me like he was thinking, like, do I know you? He recognized me. I guarantee he recognized me. Dude, you know what's crazy? You were talking about shorts and stuff on your channel the other day. I didn't want to start talking content because I don't even want to. You know, when people say like, "Oh yeah, I use OBS too," they're trying to get viewers. It's a real weak way to self-promote, right? So I try not to do that. But dude, one of my shorts the other day, I keep getting 30K on YouTube, and I'm trying to get into 40. I want 40K. Well, I made what I thought was a banger, and it got 36K on YouTube, right? Instagram, where I usually get anywhere from 1,000, 2,000, 4,000, 6,000. Hey, K, 10,000, 12,000. Dude, 298,000. 298,000 on a chess short on Instagram. If you ever make shorts, man, once you make the short, post it on YouTube, post it on TikTok, post it on Instagram, post it on Facebook. You already did the work, right? I hope you do. I hope you post them on all platforms. Yeah, it's insane. It's like that particular chess short, it just, the algorithm and the people, the community, the viewers, it just worked. When's the arena start? 9 minutes. Yeah, have you ever been there before, Isaac? Have you ever seen the coffee cam? Welcome to the coffee cam. Well, let me uncover it first. Dude, what's the worst thing for a streamer? The chair, right? Well, I used to drink a lot of coffee. Actually, for the first few years I was streaming, I chain smoked. Just sat here, smoked cigarettes, make a big pot of coffee. But I kept walking away from the chair to get more coffee. So I came up with the great idea. Check it out. Welcome to the coffee cam. I'll tell you something else that's sad, Isaac, is yeah. Sometimes when I come back from the coffee cam, there's more viewers than when I left. I'm like, should I just put the coffee cam on and just walk around? Remember Jenny Cam? I think she was the first cam, guys. She was the first cam. She just put a cam in her house and just lived. You know? Yeah, she got famous. Bill Stevens sits out, and of course, when he shows new viewers the coffee cam, he leaves the board on classic. Yeah. Oh yeah. Would it have been better to mute the board so it didn't block the coffee making? We leave the board up because a lot of times the tournament going on. Another reason too is if someone comes in, they're like, I thought this was chess. I got time for it. Well, let me grab my coffee. Follow me, guys. Was I going behind the board, guys? I'm not sure. I can't see the board from over there. Okay, I'm going to play Chub 4B spin-off coffee channel. Yeah, you know what's funny, Isaac? There was a guy, Ben Hallberg. And for probably the first 3 years of my stream, he bought my coffee. Folgers Black Silk. He would send the big, you know, like the big jug? He'd be, how you doing on coffee? I'll be like, I probably got about a week left. He'd be like, I got you. And he'd send me 2 big things of coffee. A month or 2 later, he'd be like, how you doing on coffee? I could use some. He'd send me more. He just bought my coffee. That's what I was talking about all these little things that make this possible. A guy buying my coffee for a couple of years. That's an expense, guys. That's an expense. Oh, I need to re-study this stuff, guys. I had a line. I took lessons from an IM. Oh no, he could have done something worse. He should have took and opened the file. He would have been threatening stuff. He mouse slipped. And I blundered. He mouse slipped and I blundered, folks. He's coming at me like a spider monkey, guys. The knight can't get away, so what do? We open the file and lose? I still can't get away. I solved it, guys. I lose an exchange. That wasn't too bad. Could have been way worse. Could have been way worse, guys. That's... Oh! Dude, why did I play so bad? Yeah. He... like, oh no! Dude, I'm in so much trouble! Whoa. He had something. He had tactics there, guys. Oh, yeah. Just stop it, guys. Stop the bleeding. Stop the bleeding. Do we keep everything? No, we're not allowed to keep everything. You can check me. Uh-oh. We put that fire out. There's no mate, guys. I don't think there's a mate. Oh, I had to check, though. Got him on time by 0.1. Dude, guys, I'm playing way too slow. I'm playing way too slow. Dude, Chubby rated 1100 almost just beat me with 0.1, man. So cool. Streaming can help you connect with amazing people. Dude, it is crazy. You have no idea how close I am to so many people in my chat. When you've been doing it for 5 years, like on my Facebook chat right now, Bill Stevens. I'm a musician. I play guitar. You can see the guitars in the back. The music that you hear, that's me playing guitar. I recorded it. I wrote, produced it, recorded it for my chess stream. And Bill Stevens, he's a professional musician. More higher level than what I do. He owns a recording studio. He plays like festivals and stuff, big shows. He's a really cool dude. And like we talk on the phone. We talk on the phone. I've just made so many friends. That guy Ben Arnold, the coffee guy, friend. Nick Savage, 4 million followers. 4 million followers on Facebook, guys. Nick Savage sent me a voice memo this morning. He's my friend, real life friend. He's in the UK. He's come over here twice. I have never gone over there, but both times he came here, I went and spent some time with him. He's a cool dude. He's a good friend. And he came to my stream. He was bigger than me, and he came here, and we became friends. Yeah, I passed him for a minute. He got partnered before I did. At 10,000 followers, I had like 6,000 or something, but I beat him to 20,000. Now I'm at like 21,000, and he's at 4.1 million or something. Yeah, Nick, guys, if you guys don't remember Nick Savage, he used to come and chat and just hang out. Great guy, real life friend, great guy, and 4 million on Facebook. That was me. You were Chubby? Or was that the last game? Good game, dude. Sir, please tell us about the Caro-Can defense. The Caro-Can defense is misspelt because there's a T in it, and it's called the Caro-Can't defense. The Caro-Can't defense is... It includes the moves E4, C6. This is a blunder, and I'm going to tell you why. It blocks the bishop, and the most common move at the Grandmaster level, actually, they might play E5 these days. Recently, they started playing E5. God, it starts in 34 seconds. But this move says, I'm afraid to play chess. I'm just gonna mouse slip. It looks, this move is so bad, it looks like a mouse slip. That's what that looks like. This is what you know what a man plays? Garry Kasparov, world champion, plays C5. He don't play C6. Be like Garry Kasparov. Be like Bobby Fischer. Don't be like Levy. God bless Levy. He's doing fine. I wish him the best. Okay, guys, the tournament. Is this the arena? Did it put me? Did it put me in a? This is an arena game, right? This is Grandmaster Move, by the way. You don't care about the pin, guys. It doesn't do anything. That's why he won't play it. Calvin's getting better at chess, guys. Ricky won. Okay, do we do this now? I think we do. I think they were supposed to come here, but I think since I was able to break in El Centro, I think it's okay to do this. Yeah, I'm blundering, guys. I'm blundering so bad. He's on my pawnster. Take the space, folks. Oh my god, I got my bishop! He's smart enough to take it too. Calvin's rating is just going up, guys. It's just going up. Breaking El Centro. I should have moved the bishop first. Yeah, that's probably a move. Bring the Amigo's rook. Always bring the Amigo's rook, guys. Ah! What did I do? It comes with check. Calvin. And look at the clock. Look at the clock. He's doing abs. Oh, I just pinned my. Dude. Yeah. You guys are gonna crush me today. You guys are gonna crush me today. Any? Oh, he actually. Oh, okay. There. Here, I guess. Oh, I can't even do that. Okay, so just can't counterattack. Oh, we can do this. Am I getting back rank mated? Almost. That's look at it. I'm telling you, this guy's a beast. Why would you do this to me, Calvin? You need to stop. Make it stop, Calvin. Make it stop. He made sure he was he even tucked the rook, man. Good game, Calvin. Good game. Okay. Osler is in the lead. Calvin is right there with him. Eco Voyager won his first game. Pro is here. DNS is here. Kirby's here. And Claude's in too. Claude, welcome back, dude. Welcome back, man. Yeah. So definitely that's just how I feel about the thing. Coca says yapping too much. Well, then trying not to talk so much. I'm the streamer, okay? So I do what I want and don't yap so much. Sir, please tell us about. Yeah, that was the Caro Can. Yeah, that's what I told you about it, man. It's how I feel about it. I don't have the disdain for many things in chess. Caro Can and the French, but even more so the Caro Can. I almost kind of want to learn to play the French a little bit. It's so weird. Dave Joyce, how you doing, Dave Joyce? Welcome back. Dave Joyce could probably teach me how to do it, guys. He's like 2300 on chess.com, and I think he knows how to play the French. Okay. What? Dude, I pre-moved that. Why? That was the craziest pre-move ever in the history of pre-moves. It was so dumb. Something's gonna happen. I'll sack too. I don't care. I don't even care. I'm not even scared, Osler. What's he doing? Where'd my knight go? Just force it, huh? Okay. Guys, I'm getting him on time. Osler's a lot. Well, what'd he do? Yeah. Just take it. I draw my bishop? Did he hang something? checkmate on the board. 10-second advantage against a superior opponent. Bill Stevens says, I went through a Caro Cant phase and a Scandinavian phase, and I wish I had spent that time getting better at chess. No, you will get way better at chess. Caro's really probably not a bad way to get better at chess, especially at the beginning. It's how to learn to play solid, right? If you just never get out of the opening because you're just hanging pieces and you're just trying to get a footing, Caro Cant's not bad. I'm just saying, none of my heroes ever played it. I mean, none of my heroes played it on a regular basis. So I don't want to be like it. And it's like, it's so unenterprising. Why would you not try and play the best move? Now, okay, you hear me say this, and then e4, e5, knight f3, I play f5. It's because this is aggressive. It's psycho, right? This just says, I don't have a whole lot to offer. I'm a little bit scared. I want to be solid. I still want to win, but Gary Kasparov plays c5. But no, I'm going to play what Levy plays. I'm going to play like an IM, not like a GM. Do you know what I'm saying? That's all I'm saying. That's and especially the hatred of it comes from when I was a younger man. Now I wouldn't hate it so much. Now I don't care. It's like play the Caro Cant. It's fine. It makes you happy. Like Sheryl Crow says, if it makes you happy. This guy. Oh, this is Calvin. I didn't even realize. He's pushing me back, guys. Pushes me back again. And then he pushes me back again. He pushed me back here to guys, I'm going to mate him with the bishops and the rooks. Where's it going? Threatening, nothing. Maybe improve the knight for starters. And then bring the other rook and just, like, checkmate him. What do you guys think? He's not going to fall for it, guys. Is this a move? What did I say about bringing a rook? Bring the Amigo's rook. Yeah, it's not a bad idea. The problem is, he could have done the thing. Here. I didn't even see. I heard the move and didn't even see it. Interesting maneuver. I could have took there. So he hung that? Oh no! Oh, he got me on time. I was going to play the aggressive. Good game, Calvin. Calvin! Dude, Calvin's that one chiller that came. Calvin, what was your rating when you found us, man? Hey, Brakovich, welcome back, dude. Or dudette, sir, please. Yeah, okay, Caro Cant got that guy. Bilbo Swaggins. Okay, Charlie, something amazing just happened. Tell me what it is. Isaac just says, I got to head to bed. Love the stream. Dude, thank you for coming in, man. I enjoyed hanging out on your stream. I'll come see you again. Good luck to you. We got to do a collab. We got to do something. Bilbo says something amazing. It just happened. What was it? And I'll tell you something. Bilbo Swaggins, we're just talking about how you, when you've been streaming as long as I have, you've made actual real life friends. Bilbo Swaggins is one of my real life friends. Des and I just got engaged. Congratulations, dude. Woo! Guys, I just got an overwhelming burst of love. Dude! I gotta tell Courtney. 1 second. Where'd you guys put my phone? Oh, it's right here. I'm just gonna text her, guys. I'm just gonna text her. I'm not gonna call her. Dude, I am so happy for you. Congratulations, and congratulations to Dez. And if it's the kind of thing, you know, if it's the kind of thing that someone could be around for, you know, we're always looking for an excuse to go to where you are. I just almost doxed him. Where do we want to do this? On Facebook or... I think I can do it here. Yeah. Right here. Billy. And is just got engaged. Dude. And is... There we go. Okay, cool. Dude, I'm so happy for you, man. Dude, if you guys knew Billy Mullenix, you don't even know how cool he is. What's it called? What's your Instagram, Billy? Like, I got wheels or something on Instagram. He's a skateboarder, guys, and he's just a cool cat. Charlie, what year and model is that? Telly. That doesn't have a year and model. Is it called, what they call a parts caster? It was like thrown together. You know, a friend of mine gave me this guitar as a gift for my birthday during COVID, however old I was in 2020. And yeah, he gave it to me. News and games. Join. Dude, I don't have a thing to join, but there should be a pinned comment, brother. Join the arena there. There you go. Yeah, congrats, man. You're getting congrats across the board. Across all platforms. She says thank you, and today is her 33rd birthday. Oh, man. Congratulations. So young. She got a new car, some flowers, some awesome treats, an engagement ring, and the new 007 game. LOL. She made out better than Bandit. Dude, she did. That's a dude. This is a day to remember, but you know what? That's what you do for people you love. You give them days to remember. You inspire me, Billy. I got to give Courtney a day to remember like that. Yeah, dude. Calvin says, "I'm stressing. Haven't played Bullet in 90 days. You're doing fine. I can't beat you. That was way closer. Do we have to add then challenge? No. This join the arena. I'm playing the arena right now. I'm gonna play a Bullet game in the arena, guys. I'm not actively trying to crush it. I'm having too much fun talking to chat. Archives Chess came in, and that was fun talking to him. And Billy comes in with this freaking amazing news. Gotta talk to him. I mean, well, you know, Billy and Dez getting engaged is greater than arena. You know what I'm saying? Humbucker in neck position. Yeah. You know what? I would never... If I wanted humbuckers, I would just play my Les Paul. I don't understand humbuckers on a telly, but that's the way that one came, and that's absolutely fine. I mean, it's a beautiful guitar. What's cool about it is it then has a different sound than my telly. Because I mean, why do I need another telly with telly pickups? Just go, man. Yeah, might have been a mistake. Dude, what is that? Alexander follow. Thank you for the follow, dude. Thank you so much. I guess just bring it back around town. I didn't know where to put it, guys. That might hurt. Kind of cool, huh? Good game, dude. Good game. Totally could have beat me. I think I had a insurmountable time advantage. Yeah. So that's the link. Join the arena. You join the arena. Join arena here. Oh yeah, but to play me now, that's not supposed to be there. Not during the arena. When we're done with the arena, I'll take things. Let me show it to you, Brockovich. I have a Rosewood Telecaster. That's my real guitar. I mean, okay, I'm going to tell you a couple really cool things about this guitar. One cool thing is, it's just cool. Look at the volume knobs. They're like Fender amp knobs, right? And look at that pick guard. I mean, it's just a beautiful guitar. I think that those stickers are not real. Telecaster Custom. I think it was. You see the back. I think it was put together. It's not original, but it was put together with love. And I think the pickups are. Yeah, the pickup. It has the Fender logo on it on the cover. This is just a great guitar, man. I love it. Oh yeah. This the single coil down here. That's a Seymour Duncan. So it's got a nice pickup in it, right? I didn't like the way it was hanging, folks. I went to put it on the wall. Okay, let's get... Oh, yeah, no. I gotta shut my challenges off. We're not doing challenges right now, and there will only be 3 minutes. Now we're playing the arena. Thank you for the challenge, my friend. Next game. Let's go. How am I gonna win the arena if I don't play? Well, just win all my games. Kirby's taking it down. What do you play? You play Knight of 6, right? And then you say... Not bad at all. It's not good, but it's not bad. I mean, you're playing chess. Pre-game lobby. You were supposed to go to the pregame lobby, otherwise known as Queen D1. Just take the rook, I guess. Dude, look at me. He's put his pieces all around my king. It's horrifying. Yeah, that's probably a good move. He was threatening queen takes. He's still threatening queen takes. You had queen takes because it was pinned. I didn't see it, man. I think you had queen g6. I mean, I don't think it was winning, but I think you had queen g6. Good game, Claude. Good game, brother. Rosewood is a work of art. I would love to own one someday. Yeah, my dad has an original Rosewood Telecaster. Oh, let me see what Billy's probably gone. Courtney said, "Oh, that is awesome." Yeah, if Billy's still here, Billy and Des, congratulations. Love you guys, man. And Courtney said, "Oh, that is awesome." Yeah. That's freaking great, man. Dude, these two, you guys don't know Billy and Des. They've been together a long time, and they're the kind of people that they're gonna be 80 years old and they're gonna be married. You know what I'm saying? That's the kind of people they are. That's the kind of love they have for each other. Next arena game, I gotta shut my challenges off. I almost took that challenge. Eco Voyager, let's go. Play well, my friend. Play fast. Play well and play fast. Hey, what was that like? Emma Anderson with the follow. Emma, thank you. Now use Can't Castle. Just take it, man. It's a bullet game. It's a bullet game. He doesn't want to improve the Amigo's position, so we're gonna go here. No, we're gonna play this first. Step off. We're gonna step off, so when he plays Bishop D5, it's not. There's no tissues involved. Mm-hmm. Oh, I thought he, I thought he had a back rank mate, guys, and he help mated me. Eagle Voyager, no man. Yeah, dude. Sorry, I screamed, guys. Dude, guys, I've been doing this. I've been streaming for a while. It's only been about the last, I feel like 8 months or something, that I scream. Maybe it's because I just started playing Bullet online more. But when I played this move, I'm like, I doubled on the 7th. I got you. And I'm like, oh my god, I thought he had this move. Until I looked and saw it. Okay, I have to shut my challenges off. All settings. Social. Oh, guys, I have a joke I can't even tell you. Allow challenges. No challenges. Sorry, friends, but no challenges right now. We are playing the arena. How much time left in the arena? 8 minutes left. How many games do you think I can get? I'm still in awe of you guys playing 1-minute games. Rob Mitchell, dude, the more you play, you could do it. The more you play, the more you could do it. So my dad has an original telly from the, like, I think it's 1970 or something. And those are beautiful guitars, and they're highly sought after. Mine is a reissue from like 85. I think 84, 85. And my dad bought 2 of them. He bought one for himself and left it in the case. And then he bought one for me and gave it to me. Yeah, huge mistake. That's probably not a bad move. It's not that bad of a position. I think we play C3 for sure. Because the knight's the best piece on the board, right? We can't allow our opponent to have the best piece on the board. We get the best piece on the board. That's my pawn. See that pawn? That's my pawn. But he's up a pawn, though. I dropped a pawn. Oh, I dropped a piece? How did I get down a piece? I'm so bad, I didn't realize I was down a piece. $2,200. Turkish Fermi from Turkey. Congratulations. Good game, dude. Good game. Reisenberger says good game. Yeah, he played a good game, huh? Beautiful gift from your father. Oh, yeah. But check this out, Brakovich. He bought 2 of them. They're brothers. The serial numbers might be they're probably very close because they were at Guitar Center at the same time, right? So he gave me one. I think 15. I think I was 15. And then he put one in the case and stuck in the closet. Everyone's 10 years, you pull it out and play it. 10 years, pull it out and play it. I don't think he ever took it to the club because he had his rose with it. He likes to play. Well, then my brother was turning 40. And he's like, and he had this time capsule from like 30 years ago. Right? he said, I think I'm going to give Dylan the Rosewood, the other reissue. I'm like, that is a beautiful thing to do. And so he gave my brother one 30 years later that sat in the closet, in the case, perfect museum quality. Yeah, isn't that nice? My dad always supported us in music and stuff like that. He had a birthday party yesterday. Oh, Brockovich, you might like this. Elvis told me never to be a name dropper, but my dad had his 82nd birthday yesterday, and Albert Lee was there, and Pete Anderson was there, if you know who they are. If you don't, Google them, because they're the guys. They're the guys. Ah! I was doing so well. So now there's not so much left, guys. I guess take. It all burns like fire. Dude, I set the mate up and he gave it to me. Herschel, good game. That is so brutal, guys. I don't do that as often as I should. Just like, okay, you're losing, so set up a possible checkmate if he walks into it, right? But I did that there. I'm like, just attack the rook. Albert Lee is one of my favorite players. I've played with Albert Lee more times than I can remember, but or than I can mention, but I can almost remember all of them. I love Albert. He's a great guy. We're pretty good friends with Albert Lee. He's my dad's friend. And because I'm his good friend's son, and Albert likes me too. I'm a pretty cool guy, but Albert treats me really good. Yeah. Yeah, like we were at a club one time and Albert got up to play and he used my amp. And Albert said afterwards, he said, Charlie, was that your amp? I said, yeah. And he said, you need to get a better amp. I swear to God. That's like Norman Schwarzkopf loading your BB gun for you. It's like, okay. You know what I did the next day? I went and got a better amp. I played acoustic guitar on an album with a bunch of people. Albert played piano on the album. And then my dad played all the lead. They brought Albert in for piano. You may not know this. Albert Lee is not a guitar player. He's a piano player. His first instrument is piano. And we met at like Danny's in Van Nuys, and Albert parked his car. And then we drove up. And then when Albert was done with his parts and I was done with my parts, my dad said, can you take Albert back to his car? I said, of course. I had a nice Lincoln Town Car, guys. The newer body style. Not the 70s, not the square one, where it started getting rounded, right? And so I got to drive with Albert for about 35, 40 minutes. We listened to Heart Like a Wheel by Linda Ronstadt. We just talked about, I didn't want to like be annoying and ask him like what kind of strings he uses. Kirby wins. Osler second place. Calvin Chambers third. I actually got fifth place. I didn't play that much because I was having too much fun talking. You guys did great, man. That was absolutely fun. Turkish went 4 out of 4. He came in late and got fourth place. Yeah, Turkish is good, man. Turkish is strong like a bull. Yeah, Turkish is a real account, guys. Been here since 2023. So, yeah. They all, my dad has had the most epic birthday parties. I used to fly out there for him all the time. I flew out for his 80th. And that was epic. And of course, Albert was there. I got to play with Albert. I don't think Pete made that party. There were a bunch of Grammys on the stage with JD Manus and stuff from the Desert Rose Band, and he played with everyone, Conway Twitty and all kinds of famous people. But Elvis told me not to be a name dropper, so I'm going to stop. Yeah, Brent Mason's great. Brent Mason is like Albert Lee. And the next generation, what are you going to do with it? You know what I'm saying? Yeah. I mean, I watch these kids, Daniel Donato, and some of these guys, like, they take it to another, like, I'm not even sure if I like the level. Hope to meet your dad someday. He seems like such a cat. Oh, dude, my dad's pretty freaking cool, dude, man. The compressor kicked in and we couldn't even hear the scream. Oh, yeah, thank you, Bill Stevens. That's right. Mad chops, both of them, yeah. Yeah, humiliating, getting back ranked. Well, yeah, was that you? Yeah, with this, yeah, Geit cop. Sorry, brother. Yeah. Did the 2600 hang other pieces for you? Did I play a 2600? Ann Griffin joined in May 2026. This is a new account. I don't know. Did I play him and win? Mute that. Let me see. Did I just beat a 20? I didn't even look at his. I don't look at ratings, guys. No, I didn't play him. Herschel. Oh, there could be more games. How many? No, there aren't more games. Herschel Layton, 1400. This guy's 2200. That guy, Turkish, he didn't give me anything. He beat me good. I played Ika Voyager. I played Claude. I played Pro. Calvin Chambers beat me both times. Yeah. Oh, I beat Osler though, and that's a good feeling because Osler is a good chess player. And then Chubby was before the tournament, so yeah, I didn't play him. Did you? Cool. You got lucky against him. Recently, when I click on my games on a profile, it shows all chess.com games. When I click all games on a profile, I'm not sure I understand that. Recently, when I click all games on a profile, it shows me all chess.com games. You mean every game on the platform? That's a lot. Your openings are so good, Charlie. Osler. No. Osler. I play a lot of chess. I don't study openings much. You know what though? I used to do a lot more, and I still kind of do. Like I kind of get intrigued with like the Italian, right? So like where was like an Italian? There, yeah, the one. It was the game. I think it was. It might have been. Was it this game? Or was it against Calvin? Yeah, no, this was it. Okay. Yeah. So after Night of Six, I have to play this. Yeah, but I'll go back and look at this stuff because I want to see like who played it and what they played. Openings. How come it doesn't have? How come it's not showing the name of the people that played the moves? Like showing the games, right? Okay, yep. Oh, you were totally winning pro at one point. Explore. Here we go. Okay. It is in like, in this position, C3 is number one move, right? Okay, in this position, it's either, but I don't think it's B4. I think it's knight BD2 or rook E1. And I used to play a game called, I made the game up. Beat the Chess Boss. And see how many moves deep I can go in every game playing the number one, not Stockfish move, the number one suggested move from the master database. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Man, even though I joined it super late, this was really nice. Had a rough day. Oh, dude, you're in a good spot now, brother. You love this type of streaming. Thanks, Charlie. Dude, I'm sorry you had a rough day, man. And tomorrow will most certainly be better. Mad chops about that. Okay, yeah. Like when I go to single person's profile and want to see all their games. Instead, it shows literally all recent games played on the whole platform. I don't know. Do you Kirby? You play the Italian? Yeah. I used to go. Okay, so in this position, what is it? I don't know. It's not H3. The moves are right there. It's got to be Knight BD2. Nope, it's H3. Number 1 move is H3. Number 2 move is Rook E1, and number 3 move is Save the Bishop. Okay, now here is it H3? No, Bishop B3. Okay, so I have to remember now. When I get this like Bishop's opening proper, where I have to play D3, right? Very often I drop the Bishop back. Yeah, I was just shoving them moves out. H3, 100% H3. Why does it say Master Games yet? Oh, okay, because the one guy's 2200. Okay, and then you just take the time. What do you play? You take that wants Bishop E6. But I used to study a lot of openings too, and they're not as good as they used to be, believe me. But thank you very much. In some ways, they're better. First opening I ever learned was Choco Piano main line. Nice. Yeah, Osler says me too. You know, tonight we have a very exciting Elden Ring stream. Oh wait, Calvin said, I'm not sure about the 2600 GBH. He's losing too much versus way lower rated players. Yeah, it makes you wonder, huh? At least I got some speed in my bullet and use my phone. I can play bullet on an iPad. Nice. The sun will come out tomorrow, but your bottom dollar. Exactly, Bill Stevens. See, listen to Bill Stevens. No. I love the way he said that too, because he just said he had a rough day and he loved it. He loved it here. He didn't get to, he wasn't looking for nothing. He just was like, wanted to make it clear. You know what? This wasn't a good experience. I could use a good experience today, so that was awesome, dude. Love you, brother. Is King Indian still work at all? Well, yeah, up until, Super Grandmaster level, all chess still works, right? I don't know if we see it in the World Championship matches. But, like, Magnus will play the King's Indian, just maybe not against Hikaru. Brokovich, man, take care, brother. Good to see you. Vincent Morat book describes the position with H3 before castles for white, if I recall, when the Italian from Ceremon's old pro chess video. Really? Nice. Joko Piano H3 is necessary. They don't, dude, no, they don't play H3 and all. Maybe in that position I was in, well, obviously that was the number 1 answer. But a lot of times they don't play H3. News and Games 771 with the follow on Twitch. You absolutely love to see that, folks. If you are new to the stream, my name's Charlie. I play guitar, play chess. We play Elden Ring and other games after dark. Tonight we have a very, very fun challenge. If you know Elden Ring at all, there's a boss. His name is Godfrey. And he has an axe, big axe or two. And what we're doing here is on Thursday of last week, we all made sure we had his axe, and we made sure we had his clothes so we can dress up like him. And we're going to do a playthrough with 3 of us dressed up, cosplayed as Godfrey. And we're just going to play Elden Ring, and it's going to be fun with the best community in the world. Calvin Chambers says, I still know 0 openings by name. As someone that learns by watching others, I adapt to what I'm comfortable with to my game. That's cool, Calvin. I'll tell you, though, it's really easy to study when you kind of pick. I mean, is there anyone that you like chess player wise, like Magnus or Hikaru or Fabi or Wesley, or someone maybe a little bit more creative like Grishuk or Ivanchuk? And then if you start playing their openings, then when you lose a game, you can and you go over your game, you'll see their games in your in the database. And then you could click on it and watch exactly how they played that middle game. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't mean you're going to play the exact moves in the entire middle game because your opponent's not going to do it. But you'll see, oh, they're playing on this side of the board. Oh, they're doing this. And it will teach you how they approach that pawn structure. And then you will learn it and it applies to everything. You know what I'm saying? It's a really cool way, having heroes and playing openings, the number one answer, not just according to Stockfish, but the number one played move in the master database. You're among really, really good players. You're playing the best moves. And then you're getting in the same type of positions in endgames. You might be watching Fabi play Wesley on a slow turn and be like, oh yeah, I think this came from Exchange French, because I used to play that. Yeah, I know the structure. Yeah, I think, white needs to do this and black needs to do this. You come up with ideas. It's a great way to learn. You mainly watch Hikaru started watching Rosen play on YouTube. Rosen's so great, dude. He blew a pawn race every 1500, sees a blink. Wait, not gonna lie, wait. Oh my god, Charlie, do you want to know 2600 blocked me? It says I've been blocked by them. Kirby got blocked by him too. Why? Why would he block you? Huh. Did you say something in chat? Did you say something in chat? You didn't say anything. You didn't attack him, did you? Oh, yeah, no. No. Well, Kirby said, did the 2600 hang all their pieces for you, too? Oh, because he did that to you? Oh, okay. Also said, oh my god, beat a 2600. Oh, okay, I get it now. See, I saw Kirby's thing. No, but he didn't see the winning pawn endgame. Very simple, actually. Strange. Wait, how did you get it to show your games recently? Oh, yeah. I just click on my name. I have to mute my stream is actually there. It comes up whenever someone looks at my profile. And then I scroll down and my games are right here. So I don't know what to say about you not being able to look at your games. Charby? Is it Charby? Is that how I say your name, Chubby? It's not Chubby, it's Charby. I accepted your friend request on chess.com. That means we take care of each other and we help each other get better at chess. All right? There you go, Brooke. Now we're friends on chess.com. Okay, community clubs. Let me go back and find that guy. Well, he has a pretty new account. And here's what I think people don't understand is to be 2600 on chess.com, I mean, yeah, there's a lot of people that can do that. But it's pretty rare. It's pretty rare, guys. Like, it's pretty rare. Okay, this was the arena. And then the 2600 in Griffin. I think he's been here before, but I don't think it was 2600. Wait for it. He started at 2200. A month ago. And now he's almost to 2400. Real steady. Not a lot of ups and downs. Also watch enjoying General Zod. He is 2800 rated national master in Bullet. Really? General Zod. I don't know General Zod. I like that one guy. What's his freaking name? He comes in here sometimes. He's come in here before. I can't believe I can't remember his name. He's Latino, Mexican, something. I can't remember his freaking name. but I think he's a national master, and he's a really good guy. He's very well spoken, and he explains chess well. And Nelson, guys, Nelson, Chess Vibes. That guy's great because he's a master, but he explains chess well, and I don't need a grandmaster to learn chess. I can learn chess from someone that's rated. I mean, right now in the United States Chess Federation, he's probably rated about 300, 350 points higher than me. 300. Because I think he might have dropped under 2,100. I mean, under 2,000. So about 300, 325. That's like better enough than me. So when he goes over his games and explains them, I can learn so much, you know? So, yeah, so it's a relatively new account, but it is weird that he would be just dropping games like that. But it's Bullet, guys. But still, no, I've played 2,600 players before, and they crush me 8 days a week. 8 days a week, they crush me, guys. 8 days a week. So, you guys played good to beat him. That's all I can say. You have done this kind of thing when I sandbag, though, but not in a game which I started to play seriously, like in the tournament. Wait. Let me see. He seems to be showing that he's on tilt. Kirby, I think he's trying to portray that he's on tilt. But that's not even a tilt. Just a second, 2 pieces. Dude, I caught Grandmaster Gotakamsky on tilt one time on the Internet Chess Club. Calvin Chambers says on TikTok, he also has a YouTube channel. He's recently got his NM norm. I am norm, you mean? Yeah, Bill Stevens, 1,000%. Bill Stevens says, challenge, 5 games, $5 plus $2 bonus to celebrate Billy's engagement. Absolutely. That's great with 1v1 time. I am going to play 1 minute, 5 1-minute games from the pool, meaning I got to play randoms. And Bill Stevens gave me the challenge. For every game I win, I get $5. So if I win all 5, I get $25, right? And then every time I checkmate on the board, but it has to be mate on the board, like checkmate, right? I get a bonus $2. So if I win all 5 games, I get 25 games. If all 5 end with me checkmating my opponent, that's a bonus $10. So there's $35 possible. Yeah, but you don't get national master norms. Or maybe another country you do. Is it another country? In the United States, when you hit 2,200, you get a certificate. Guys, I need 1 second to grab my water, and then we're going to do the cash challenge. $5 a game. It's very fast, guys. It's 1 minute chess. 1 second. All right, man. Dude, I'm having such a great day today. I love you guys. I'm having a really fun day. Eyes Out Chess came in. It was fun to connect with that guy. Billy is having a good day. Courtney's actually having a really good day. The guy who was having a rough day came in, and his day was made better by our community, by the vibes here. Guys, that's freaking huge. Okay, game number 1. I'm getting serious, guys. Wow. Anything? Nope. Just give it to him. Defending. Like, why am I opening files for rooks? You know what I'm saying? Uh-oh. That was mating. That was mating, guys. I had to play over and then he wow. He got me on time. That was not good. Okay, so I did not win $5 that game. We're counting on you. Like here in the UK, you need 2,200. Okay. Yeah. If it's in America, when you hit, you don't get national master norms. When you hit 2,200, here's the thing. This is the way they used to do it. They had, well, no, I'll tell you after. New 1 minute. I gotta stay in the game, and plus, we gotta get this challenge rolling. Bring the other rook. Ah! I hung my queen. Hung my queen. And that. Is he mated? I lost my bishop. Got him on. Oh, it's a draw. I didn't even get the win. Yeah, it was horrible, horrible, horrible play. Oh shoot, I got blocked by him too for some reason. He blocked everybody? Now, how do you know you got blocked by him? How do you know you got blocked by him? Maybe he does the thing where he plays people and dumps rating points and then blocks them? Is that a way to, like... When you click on his okay, okay, I gotta... That was only the second game, right? Grab my queen. Saw that one. Push it. I'll play knight here. I can take this, right? It's a cool move. Wow. Why would I do that? Why would I do that? Dude, I have enough time. I have enough time. I'm just, dude. I had enough time to not do that. This could be the first 0 ever. That was the 3rd game, right? Was that the 3rd or the 4th game? That was a blunder. Wow, I can't take it? Completely getting crushed. Here comes a mate. Dude, I can't win. I just keep playing so bad, and I'm losing on a clock too. I don't know when it started. I don't know when it started. Daniel, I'm getting busted on the freaking thing. And I have warm-up games too. Gotta go. Got you. Okay. Yeah. Chess.com comes as a feature. Yeah, hit it once and you get National Master, a bit like CM and FM titles. No, I think with the FM title, I think you have to apply for it though. You have to, I think, pay money for it, believe it or not. Is anyone counting these? I have one. Thank you, Osler. Osler, thank you. You're so kind. Because I keep getting sidetracked by talking to chat because I'm having so much fun talking to you guys. Okay, we got to get $5, guys. I'm choking! I just gave up the whole rook then. That's amazing. That's just amazing. Horrible chess, guys. Oh, I could have played c4. No, I couldn't have. Didn't even look at it. Okay, here, I guess. Okay, and then here, I guess. I know what to do. I'm just busted. Can't go anywhere. There's nowhere to go. I got on time. I want a game. I want a game. 1.1 seconds, guys. Wow. Let's see. Let's check my. Yay, Osler. Dude, that is probably the worst one I've ever done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I had one loss. No, I had one win and one draw and 3 losses. That was fun though. Hey, $5 is $5, folks. Bill Stevens, thank you so much for supporting me, man. For supporting the channel. He supports in so many ways, guys. I can call him and talk about music. He supports my mental health, guys. Yeah. Dude. Oh yeah. So again, going back to the guy, I find it fascinating. Did you guys say anything? I know that Kirby said that he drop all his pieces for you too, but I didn't see anyone accuse him of anything or anything weird. And it would be weird to me that he would come join an arena and then did he ban everyone he played? You said, okay, see, he didn't play me, but I'm not blocked. Hello, my name is Ian Driffin. Oh, wow. He's got a whole thing here. I learned the basics of chess when I was around 5, but I mainly started seriously analyzing and playing in 2025. Okay, I hope everyone who honestly plays learns and improves. Very cool. Very cool. Okay. And then he's got some social media stuff too. Twitter, YouTube, Instagram. Add most people to friend requests and mostly play unrated. Okay. Yeah, he's got a lot of stuff on his page, man. He's got a lot of stuff on his page. I just think it is weird that he would have blocked all you guys. No, there's no time to type in bullet. Oh my god, he is a common. What does that mean? Oh my god, he's a character. Hey man, he's a person. He's a person. He posts his favorite games. He plays daily games. He posted his Instagram and his Twitter and stuff. Yeah. Yeah. I just think it's odd that he would leave and block you guys, so I have no idea what it means. But either way, guys, man, you know I had a blast because my throat hurts from talking so much. I need to get going. I need to figure out what's for dinner. And, I gotta show you guys what I made. You're not gonna believe it, guys. This is the first time I've ever done this. Wait, no, let's go to coffee can. Guys, I made pasta the other day with Italian sausage. And I ate plenty of it. I ate my fill. And so I froze the rest of it. And I have like 4 or 5 of these. And these are going to last forever. And freezing and unfreezing, sitting in the fridge like that, getting cold and sitting there, it's going to probably taste even better. Right? So, the question is, it's like, when did I make sauce? I think I made it Friday. Do I really want spaghetti again today? No. But I won't have to make sauce for like another, I don't know, month or 2. Spaghetti once a week, maybe. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So this is a pretty good opportunity. Maybe I'll go with the spaghetti. I have to decide, but I know that I got to get working. And we got a live stream tonight at 8 p.m. Elden Ring special playthrough. Come see us on YouTube and Twitch for that. Twitch, hit the follow button, please. I need raids on Twitch. I'm going to shut all the streams down except for Twitch. Twitch, don't go anywhere. And we're going to do a bonus game on Twitch for staying for the raid. Okay? Because we got to raid people, guys. Do I just put this down? What if I forget it? Okay, so anyway, guys, Facebook, I love you guys. Hit the like button and follow button on the way out, guys. Hit the like, and leave a comment. It'll get you in the algorithm. Facebook then will keep you here. If you want live alerts, you've probably seen a link to the live alert channel on screen. Scroll up and say, for live alerts, click here. Click there, and you'll get a live alert every time we go live across all platforms. That way you always know, because Facebook doesn't tell you. All right? Facebook, I love you guys. Goodbye. Facebook, I put them to sleep, folks. That's where I started my stream. I love them so much. YouTube, love you guys. See you guys at 8 p.m. for Elden Ring After Dark. Ending stream. Ending. There's one. And I got one more to shut off, guys. And then, goodbye.